Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of nudging with numbers. I had to keep going back between the 3, the 6, and the 5.9194 when I was doing this a while ago. So we've got it set on 6, so we can nudge to our heart's content, over 6 inches. But we really need another number, but let's go here. Even though we have more than 6, we're going to Control D, and we can nudge it over quite a few times till we get to where we should be. But now we need to nudge it at 5.194. Instead of going to the nudge and typing that, if you have it typed out and you're going to use it again, just copy it, click off there, delete that, paste it, and now you've got 1.94. So let's Control D and make a duplicate, and it's right there. So especially if it's a longer number than that, but if you have to keep going back and forth, that might be a handy deal because you could always type in 6 and then nudge them over 6, but when you need to go back, you could paste it because you haven't changed anything. You could keep pasting in there. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.